how to keyframe in CapCut PC. So yeah, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to just simply open CapCut and then just simply drag a video that you want to add a keyframe into your timeline. And then after that, what you want to do is to just simply look for a part in your video that you want to add a keyframe to. So as an example, I want to add a keyframe in this section right here in the video. And then after that, what you want to do is to just go to the right side over here. And then from here, you can now set keyframes to your video. So you would know that an editing feature can have a keyframe if it has this diamond icon right here. So what I'm going to do now is to make a keyframe that will zoom in and zoom out this video. So I'll just add a keyframe in this part of the video. So I'll make it zoom in a bit. And then after that, I want to move this clip header right here at the very back so that I know when to start my keyframe. So I want to start the keyframe right here. So I'll just revert it back to its original size, and then there you go. So when I play the video in my timeline, as you can see that it is now starting to zoom. See, there you go. And then after that, the next thing that I'm going to do now is to add a zoom out keyframe in this area right here. So I'll just add a keyframe right there and then just make it zoom out. And then after that, I'll move this playhead at the back so that I know when to start my keyframe. So I'll just start it here, and then there you go. So when I play this part of the video, it will now start to zoom out, and then there you go. So you can also apply different edits to your keyframe like right here by changing its position, rotation, the blend, and a lot more. So feel free to explore this section out. So next, I'll try to make a keyframe in where the video will change its position. So I'll just add the keyframe in this section right here, and then I'll just add a keyframe right there, and then I'll just move its X position to, let's say, around 100. There you go. And then let's move the Y position up to 50, or how about 150? And then there you go. And then I'll just make the keyframe start around here. So I'll just reset it back to its default position. And then there you go. And then after that, when I play this part of the video, as you can see that the video will now move to a different position. And then there you go. Now I'll try to add another keyframe in where it will rotate the video. So I'll just add it right here in this keyframe. So I'll just add a keyframe right there. And then I'll just rotate the video to, let's say, 90 degrees. There you go. And then I'll make the keyframe start around here. And then I'll just set it back to 0. And then there you go. So when I play the video, as you can see, it will now start rotating. And then there you go. So once you're done, just simply export your video and then you are pretty much good. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add keyframes in CapCut PC.